Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss about variables. The var statement can declare one or more variables and the data type of that variables comes at the last. As shown here, we start with var keyword, following that xyz. Those are the variable names and at last we have the data type. Var statement can be at the package or function level. That means we can have var statement both inside and the outside of a function. We can declare and initialize variable at the same time. As shown here, we have initialize x, y, and z here. Then we initialize it with 1, 2, and 3. When we do the declaration and initialization at the same time, we can omit the data type of those variables. We can declare and initialize variables of multiple types at the same time, as shown here.